Alright, so madness, man. Madness. You know what this is? Bad boy thing, you know. You see me? Say ugly. So what you're looking at here is a subwoofer or a bass speaker. The round part with the grey patches, that's the surround, or the rim as Jamaicans call it. And the center part now is the cone. Alright, it's very common for the cones or surrounds for subwoofers to get damaged. It's a kicker, comp, C, 12-inch, dual voice coil. Right, and it's a 4 ohm. Yeah, damage to speakers very, very common for subwoofers especially. You know, your speaker is in the trunk. There are many ways for you to get it damaged. Yeah. So I get this repaired. You're gonna see the process. Yeah? Mad thing. You watch him, the green fire now.
Nah, broke man.
Broke it, man. Broke it.
Yeah, 15.
So I give all the adhesives, glue them a chance to dry.